Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see how the second week of May is going to unfold for all signs. Before going on to each sign, let us take a look at three important messages of this week. First message: if you are interacting with someone or dealing with somebody who is elder than you, just respect them. You may not agree with their views, but respect them and you can act on the things later. Message number 2: take care of your emotional as well as physical health. If you are emotionally sound, then your physical health is definitely going to be better. And the last message: beginning of the week may be a little bit difficult for most signs, but as we go further in the week, around Wednesday, things will start changing for better and most signs are going to be a better week compared to previous week. Let us begin with the sign Aries. If you have moon in Aries, Mesh Rashi, you are going to begin this week with little bit of dilemma. And the dilemma is about why do you have to listen to all the people who have very traditional views, who are very difficult for change. But see if you can learn something from them and proceed with caution, and this is going to be a definitely better week for you compared to others. However, the stress at work, stress in the society is going to be there, maybe not as much as it was before. If you have moon in Taurus, Vrishab Rashi, in the beginning of the week, you may find things are going as per your liking, as per your wishes. And in the middle of the week, you are going to face little bit of dilemma about, is this decision right? Are you acting in a hurry? My suggestion, take time, do not overreact, and things will be better as the week progresses. If you have moon in Gemini, Mithun Rashi, you may be feeling overwhelmed in the beginning of the week. You may be overthinking, you may be overanalyzing, or you are feeling very nervous. But as the week progresses, situation is going to be better. And if you didn't have these feelings of nervousness in the beginning, then remember, definitely the rest of the week is going to be even better for you. If you have moon in Cancer, Karka Rashi, the week is going to begin with some pressure about routines, family matters. Even though situation at work is good, you are having certain pressure about routines and rhythms at family front. As the week progresses, you will find solutions, you will find help from others, and the week is going to be better week for you. If you have moon in Leo, Simha Rashi, you will notice that as the week begins, you have to change yourself. How difficult it is, think something small and start that change. You don't have to do things abruptly, do it slowly. Ask yourself a question, is this needed? Can this wait? And you will realize there are so many people who are going to help you. You can take their support, ask for the help, there is nothing wrong in that. Respect that person who helps you, and as the week progresses, you are going to have really good time. If you have moon in Virgo, Kanya Rashi, the week is going to be little bit difficult as it begins because you have a lot of expectations. You have so many things that you want to carry out in near future. However, there is this one step ahead and two step backward kind of situation, but hang in there. You have been doing lot of work, you have been taking care of so many people. This is going to be better week gradually. If you have moon in Libra, Tula Rashi, even though arts, music and professional things are good, but there is something that is lacking, and that is the imbalance that all the Libra folks are feeling. This is going to be one of such weeks where you will feel little bit lost. However, around the end of this week, there are rewards in store for you. You will be acknowledged for whatever hard work you have been doing. So have some more patience. If you have moon in Scorpio, Vrishik Rashi, you have to have more strength in terms of interacting with people socially. Work on your communication skills. Do not have any fear, rather work with someone who is elder than you, who is more experienced than you, and take advantage of their company. Make the most of it, make the best use of it, thank them, respect them, and as the week progresses, you will notice that your communication skills are helping you to get what you are looking for. If you have moon in Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi, Dhanu Rashi natives are in a dilemma now because they have so many ideas. They have so many new projects that they would like to work on. However, things are going slow. Sometimes finances have some issues. However, keep working on your projects, on your ideas, write them down, and you will realize as the week progresses, somebody would be there who would help you with whatever you are looking for. If you have moon in Capricorn, Makar Rashi, it is always difficult to follow discipline and have responsibility. But high rewards come with high responsibility. And for that you have to work very hard. It is easy to say, but when somebody is doing all that hard work, you need to rest a little bit. So watch something that you like, eat something that you would enjoy in this week, even though you are going to do it moderately. Relax in between, find time to relax, find time to meditate, and the work is going to give you what you are looking for. If you have moon in Aquarius, now Jupiter has settled in the sign of Aquarius, and you know how to function, you know how to work out your ideas, how to help your friends, how to look at education, creativity, as well as all the deals. Be on the right path, and Aquarius folks, Aquarius natives can be the support for rest of the society. If you have moon in Pisces, you will understand the wing. If you have moon in Pisces, Meena Rashi, as the week begins, you will feel little bit overwhelmed. You would think you have lots of dreams, lots of ideas. However, not everything is coming into picture. It is like you suggest 100 suggestions and hardly one or two are getting accepted. But as the week progresses, you will notice that work is done quickly. People are respecting you, your word is valued. So overall, this is going to be a good week for all signs. Moon is going to transit through signs Pisces, Aries, Taurus and Gemini. And for all these signs, Venus and Mercury are going to play major role. The key things are, do not overthink, however, go slow. Don't believe on everything that looks really promising in the beginning. Take your time to analyze, and you will understand most of the questions will be answered. You will find somebody who is going to help you, and overall this is going to be a great week. If you think this week's messages as well as guideline for the week is going to be helpful for your friends, feel free to share. Please share this video. Please subscribe to this channel. You can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Do donation and I'll be more than happy to do the reading. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.